Hey guys, it's MandaPanda. Check out this awesome new toy from Matchbox. This is the Jurassic World Deep Dive Submarine and my favorite dinosaur Blue with Trainer Owen. This thing is so awesome. It is a submersible toy, which means we can put it in the water and it will not damage it. I'm so excited because the Merponies are still hanging out in the water from last week, so maybe we'll get to see them when we go deep down in our submarine with Owen and Blue. Just a little bit of assembly required. Push in those side tanks and make sure that you line up the cord with the little cutouts on the side. Let's check out the little minifigures. Oh my gosh, this teeny tiny Blue is absolutely adorable. Just check Blue out. Oh, so cute and teeny tiny. And we have Owen, who looks a little bit weird. His eyebrows are a little funky, but he's pretty cool. I like that he actually has his watch on. Let's see, the hips move and the knees and the shoulders. No, not the shoulders, just the wrists. Oh yeah, no, the shoulders totally do move. We got his bag and his knife, which is really cool because there is a tiny little notch right in the back of Owen's belt, and the knife just pushes right in, so it is ready for him to grab and use whenever he needed it. At first I thought that maybe the bag should have opened so I could put the knife in it, but it looks a lot cooler and it's a lot truer to the movie by being on his actual belt. Now, this submersible vehicle is awesome. It is all very well made. The arms do move. It'd be really cool if this was remote controlled, but it's not, but it's still awesome. We have the huge side tanks, which we can leave empty so that way it floats, or we can fill them with water and make it into a submarine. We have the light right up at the top. Let's open it up, pop in Owen and Blue. They are ready to test drive this submarine. With the side tanks empty, the submarine does float without a problem. It is water safe right now, so Owen and Blue are nice and dry on the inside. It looks so cool, like a raft from the bottom. To explore underwater, pull the tab right in the center and fill up the base with water, and pull out the side tanks because we need to fill those with water too. That's a lot of water. Is it done yet? Nope. Now? No. Okay, there, it's done. The water helps the submersible sit on the floor, and now Owen and Blue can go and explore.
Hey Blue, thanks a lot for joining me on this expedition. I wonder what we're gonna find down here. Ooh, this light is so awesome. Blue, can you even see? I knew I should have brought the booster seat for you. Aw man, Blue, I asked you to clean the windshield before we came down. I could barely see. Yeah, not funny. It's kinda weird because there's like nothing down here, Blue. No fish, no dinosaurs. Do you hear something? Check your rearview mirror, Blue. Can you see it? What was that? Did you say MOSASAURUS? Blue, we gotta get out of here. Is this the fastest that this thing can go? Jeez. Go faster. We gotta get out of here before it attacks us. I forgot my wetsuit. Blue, do you know how to swim? I think he's gone. Mosasaurus is gone. It's okay. We're good. Oh no, we're not good. We're not good. Just kidding. Just kidding, Blue. Hang on. Hang on. I think he's leaving. Maybe. I think. Oh, Blue. I don't know if we're gonna make it. I hope you're wearing your seatbelt. I am. I hope we survive this. There's no cracks in the glass yet. Oh, he's leaving. Hey, Blue, I think we're okay. That's so awesome. Let's get out of here. No! What's that? Blue, do you know what kind of dinosaur that is?
Hey guys, I'm Pinkie Pie. I'm a Merpony. What are you? You look grumpy. Do you need a friend? It's not very nice to try and play with their submarine. How about we go for a swim together? That sounds like so much more fun.
I don't know what kind of dinosaur that was. It was kind of weird. I've never seen a pink dinosaur before. But I'm glad that it took MOSASAURUS away. Let's get out of the water while we still can. What's this? Another one of these dinosaurs? Is this one an albino? It's all white.
Oh, hi. My name's Rarity. I'm a merpony. Oh my gosh, that yellow of your submarine is just to die for. Oh my gosh, who designed your outfit? That is so cute. Can I get a ride? Gentle boys, gentle, I'm a lady. Careful now, careful with my fins. My hair, my mane.
Well, let's take her to the top. Time to get out, Blue. I'm glad we survived. Oh, it's a little hot in here. Is that?
Thanks for the ride to the top, boys.
What happened to your fin?
Oh, I turn into a regular pony when I'm not in the water. Can I borrow your submarine? I've always wanted to drive one of these.
Yeah, sure. Let's get out of here, Blue.
It's a little cramped in here, but totally worth it if I find some gemstones.
Doesn't this feel so nice, Mosi? Aren't you glad that you left that submarine alone? It's just so much better when you have a friend and you can just swim everywhere. Wow, Mosi, you're such a good swimmer. You should meet my friends. I think I saw Rarity back there. What? You're a movie star?
You can follow me online to get the latest news and updates, like my Facebook page, facebook.com/MandaPanda Toy Collector, or follow me on Instagram at MandaPanda Toy Collector. Want to mail me something? Guess what? You can. Mail it to MandaPanda P.O. Box 2855, Humble, Texas 77347.